What if I told you that your automatic transmission isn't failing? It's just begging for a little DIY care? Most drivers panic when they feel a shift jerk or see a transmission warning light. But what if I told you that many of these issues are simple to fix, right at home, without a mechanic and without spending thousands? In this video, I'm going to reveal 13 of the most common automatic transmission problems that you can easily diagnose and fix yourself. Some take less than 10 minutes and require nothing more than a screwdriver or your car key. So smash that subscribe button right now and join Car Care Expert, because this knowledge could literally save your transmission and your wallet. Let's dive in. Number 1. Low transmission fluid level. Low fluid is the #1 cause of transmission problems. Without enough fluid, your transmission can't cool, lubricate, or shift properly. If you feel slipping, hesitation, or grinding, pop the hood and check the dipstick, if your car has one. Park on level ground and see if the fluid hits the hot or cold mark, depending on the engine temp. Fix. Add only the manufacturer-recommended ATF fluid. Don't guess. Also, inspect for leaks around the pan, cooler lines, and output shaft. But what if your fluid looks okay, yet the shifting is still rough? Let's talk about why dirty fluid might be the real problem. Number 2, dirty or burnt transmission fluid. Even if the level is fine, fluid degrades over time and gets contaminated with clutch material and debris. This leads to hard shifts, overheating, and wear. Fluid should be red or pink. If it smells burnt or looks dark brown, it's time for a change. Fix, drain and refill with new ATF and replace the filter if equipped. Don't forget the gasket. You can do this at home with a basic socket set and a pan. But even clean fluid can't help if it's not flowing correctly. Watch what happens when your transmission filter clogs. Number 3, clogged transmission filter. A dirty filter restricts fluid flow like a clogged artery. That means sluggish shifts, overheating, and erratic performance. If you just replace fluid but the shifting is still weird, the filter is likely the culprit. Fix, drop the transmission pan, replace the filter, clean the magnets, and reinstall everything with a new gasket. This one-time fix can make your car shift like new again. Ever feel your car clunk or jerk during takeoff? You might be looking at a worn mount. Number 4, worn transmission mounts. These rubber blocks hold the transmission in place, and when they fail, the entire assembly shifts under load. That causes clunking noises, harsh shifting, and even exhaust vibration. Fix. Use a floor jack to support the transmission, then unbolt the mount and swap it with a new one. You'll need basic tools, but it's doable on most cars in under an hour. Now, what if I told you one tiny sensor could throw off your entire transmission logic? Number 5, throttle position sensor, TPS, issues. Your TPS tells the ECU how far you're pressing the gas pedal. If it fails or misreads input, your transmission won't know when to shift. This leads to delayed shifts, hard downshifting, or weird RPM behavior. Fix. Scan for TPS error codes using a cheap OBD2 tool. Replace the sensor if needed. It's usually just 2 screws and a plug. Reset your ECU after installation. Next up, solenoids. Think of them as the brain's messengers. If they go bad, chaos follows. Number 6, bad transmission solenoids. Solenoids regulate fluid flow for gear shifts. If they stick or fail, you'll feel slipping, rough shifts, or get stuck in one gear. Many solenoid packs are accessible by dropping the transmission pan. Fix, clean, or replace faulty solenoids. Use an OBD2 scanner to pinpoint which one is failing. Replacement costs less than $100, and you can do it yourself with time and patience. Your next fix might be hiding behind your battery, literally. Number 7, ECU/TCM needs a reset. Modern transmissions learn your driving style, but sometimes they get stuck in bad habits or memory errors. You may feel laggy, shifting, or weird timing. Fix. Disconnect the battery for 15 minutes to reset the ECU, or pull the ECU TCM fuse. Then drive gently for a few days to let it relearn. This soft reboot can solve many problems instantly. But what if your car feels locked into one gear? You might be stuck in limp mode, and here's how to escape it. Number 8, limp mode activation. Limp mode is your car's way of saying something's wrong. It limits gear options to prevent damage. Symptoms: stuck in second or third gear, reduced power, flashing transmission light. Fix: use a scanner to clear soft codes. Check your battery, sensors, and grounds. If all else fails, a hard reset, battery disconnect, can get you out of limp mode. Some problems aren't in your transmission, they're in your wires. Let's talk electrical. Number 9. Bad electrical grounds or connectors. Bad wiring causes phantom issues like delayed shifts, stalling, or warning lights. Especially in older or corroded cars, ground straps and connectors degrade. Fix: use contact cleaner on plugs, inspect ground points, and tighten battery terminals. A clean ground can fix what seems like a major issue. Your next issue may come from your cooling system, and it can cook your transmission alive. Number 10. Overheating due to clogged cooler. Your transmission is cooled by the radiator or a dedicated cooler. If that's clogged or leaking, the fluid can overheat and damage gears and seals. Fix: flush the cooler with compressed air or cleaner. Replace it if damaged. For hot climates or towing, install an aftermarket cooler. It's cheap insurance. Here's a silent killer most drivers ignore: the torque converter. Number 11. Failing torque converter. Symptoms include shuddering, stalling, or strange RPMs. A torque converter transfers engine power to the transmission, and when it fails, it mimics a dead gearbox. Fix: additives like Lubigard or Lucas can help early-stage issues. Severe failures require replacement, but catching it early saves thousands. Don't skip this next one. It's tiny but crucial. Number 12. Vehicle speed sensor, VSS failure. Your transmission needs speed data to know when to shift. If the VSS fails, the shifts will feel off or stop completely. Fix: most VSS units are on the transmission housing. You can replace it with basic tools in under 30 minutes. Don't confuse it with the wheel speed sensors. Those are different. And finally, the deadliest lie of all, lifetime fluid. Let's bust it. Number 13. Skipping transmission service. The biggest lie in car maintenance? That your transmission fluid lasts forever. Even sealed transmissions need service every 40,000 to 60,000 miles. Fluid breaks down, filters clog, and wear accelerates. Fix: schedule regular fluid changes, or DIY it. Drain, refill, and clean the magnets. Ignoring it is the fastest way to kill your gearbox. So there you have it. 13 common transmission problems you can fix yourself before handing your keys and your wallet to a mechanic. Which one surprised you the most? Drop a comment and share your experience. We love hearing from real drivers. And hey, if this video saved you money, helped you fix your car, or gave you the confidence to take control, do us a favor. Hit the like button, subscribe to Car Care Expert, and share this with someone who needs to know this stuff. Until next time, drive smart, fix smart, and stay one step ahead of costly repairs.